Dive into the world of podcasts with Pocket Casts. Podcasts offer a fantastic way to learn, laugh, and be entertained while on the go. Whether you're commuting, working out, or relaxing at home, there's a podcast out there for everyone. This guide will show you how to use Pocket Casts, a powerful and user-friendly podcast app, to discover and enjoy your favorite shows. Downloading and setting up Pocket Casts. Pocket Casts is available for free on both iOS and Android devices. Download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Here's how to get started. Launch the Pocket Casts app. You'll be presented with the option to create an account. This is beneficial for syncing your subscriptions and playback progress across devices, but it's not mandatory for basic use. Exploring and subscribing to podcasts. Pocket Casts offers a rich library of podcasts, categorized into various topics. The Discover tab. This tab is your starting point. Browse through curated podcast collections, trending shows, and recommendations based on your interests. Search bar. Looking for something specific. Use the search bar to find podcasts by name or topic. Subscribing to podcasts. Once you find a podcast that piques your interest, tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of all available episodes. To subscribe to the podcast and receive notifications for new episodes, tap the Subscribe button. Bonus tip. Tap the three dots next to a podcast to see options like adding it to a custom playlist or marking all episodes as played. Downloading episodes for offline listening. Not all the time will you have an internet connection. The beauty of Pocket Casts is the ability to download episodes for offline listening. Here's how. Open the podcast you want to download from. Tap the episode you want to save for offline. Look for the download icon, usually an arrow pointing downwards, next to the episode title. Tap it to begin downloading. Downloaded episodes are indicated by a check mark next to their title. You can access them anytime from the Downloads tab. Playing and managing your podcast queue. Pocket Casts makes it easy to manage what you listen to and how you listen to it. Playing podcasts. Tap on an episode to start listening. Playback controls like play, pause, rewind, and fast forward are located at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can also adjust playback speed and enable features like trim silence removes pauses for a smoother listening experience. Up Next Queue. The Up Next Queue is your personalized listening list. By default, newly subscribed podcasts add their latest episodes to the queue. You can reorder episodes, add specific episodes from your subscriptions, or remove unwanted ones entirely. Swipe gestures are your friend in Pocket Casts. Swipe right on an episode to add it to your Up Next queue. Swipe left on an episode to archive it, hides it from your main list. With Pocket Casts, you hold the key to a world of knowledge and entertainment. Explore the vast library of podcasts, curate your queue, and enjoy listening wherever you go.